Alright everyone, welcome to How to Browse through YouTube channel. In this video, first of all, I'm gonna tell you guys a couple of several reasons why you should always check for updates in the application Capcut PC, and also how you can do it, right? So let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do is just to open Capcut, and from here you can check for updates. But before showing you how you can do it, I'm gonna tell you several reasons why you should always check for updates. First of all, and one of the most important ones for me at least, I think it really counts a lot, is that when you update and you check for updates in CapCut PC, this can really or often can include when you update. These updates can include bug fixes and performance improvements. I think that's the primary reason why you should always check for updates. And on top of that, I think that's the second reason is these updates can also often include new features and improvements. So please also make sure you are up to date. And now let me show you what you have to do. So what you have to do pretty much is to click on this icon and then here click on version, and now check for updates. You can try also beta test version to enjoy new features if you want to try the beta versions, or if not, just uncheck this and now click for updates. And if it's current is the latest version, that's fine, your latest version. But thank you guys for watching, and this video helped you out. Don't forget to subscribe, I really appreciate that. And if you have any suggestions for the next tutorial, please let me know in the comments section. Thank you for watching and take care.